Here we go. So after a long day at Legoland, I told myself that I wasn't gonna film today, but man, this place is so enticing. I have to film. Look at this, guys. All you can eat snow crab legs, crawfish, oysters, shrimp, clam, scallop, squid. All right, for the protein, we got sliced fatty beef, lamb, and pork belly. All right, we're gonna dip it in the sauce. Okay. Where are you guys at? Legoland. Last year we got in for free, but this year I think I have to pay the $25. I take it back. It's actually $30 this year. And we're back at Legoland.
His name is Jester. Do you want to come say hi?
You ready to have fun? Yes? Uh-oh, uh-oh. Uh-oh. Enough for me. I don't like it. And they go faster. You okay? Look at her scream. Have to buy the other person ice cream, okay? Here we go. You're not gonna share? Huh? You're not gonna share? Bad boy, the kid, they don't wanna share. So we got our own, and look at them. They come right over to try our orange. Look at this, turkey legs. Made from Lego. Everything is high tech now, look at this. $18.79 for turkey legs. I asked this kid, are you guys hungry? No, we wanna play. Bought this turkey legs, and look what happened. They love Lego. Not even 5 yet, and it went twice already. I didn't get a chance to go when I was little. So look. You having fun, Carl? Having fun? Yeah? Good mommy, big brother.
Now, the third rule, my favorite rule of them all. You lose anything on this ship, anything at all, I want y'all to stick y'all's right hand in the air and then wave its goodbye because I cannot go back and retrieve any lost items. So if you're ready for today's adventure, let me get an R.
Arr!
You have to say oh.
Treasure, so we can lift the curse.
Like it?
Florida's first tourist attraction. It all starts with
Hash fry?
Yes.
Look at mommy. Lego Hotel. Whoa. They even have a restaurant here inside the hotel where you can actually sit down and eat. Look at this kid. Refuse to leave Legoland. So after a long day at Legoland, I told myself that I wasn't gonna film today, but man, this place is so enticing and I have to film. So they gave it this big old space just for the 4 of us. So anyways, we are here on our way here back to Orlando. I passed by this place. We were hungry and we don't know what to eat and stuff, and I passed by this place, and it's called 818 Heat Hot Pot and BBQ. It's kind of like the same thing in Houston, Volcano. Basically, it's $28.99 for an adult for hot pot, and for $5 more, you get barbecue. Basically, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different flavors. One cool thing about them is that they have milk tea and fruit tea. How is it? Is it good?
Mine has this on the boba tea bowl. It's like, damn, it's really good.
Okay. Yummy?
It has juice inside.
Oh, the strawberry ball just burst in your mouth.
Told you.
There you go.
I tried it.
It's very good. You want your own?
No, you try it.
You want your own? Okay.
No, you
All right.
try it.
I'm hungry over here, and they keep on wanting me to try tapioca.
Which one's good?
They're both good. You want your own? No?
No, he just wants mommy's. Fish it.
All right. Let me show you guys. Let me show you guys real quick what they have. I'll make it quick since it's been late and been up since 5 o'clock this morning. Here is the food sections. Let me show you guys what they have real quick. So starting off over here, we have the sauce station. We have some garlic, cilantros, onions, and then you got all kinds of sauce right here. And over here, we got some chicken, beef bulgogi, marinated beef, and then short ribs, beef, salmon, beef belly, pork belly, beef with mushroom, shrimp, tofu, ham, fish, and garlic shrimp. And over here, you got some sausage, pickled radish, kimchi, seaweed, chocolate cake. You got some cantaloupe, pineapple, watermelons. And over here, you got some orange, lettuce, spinach, watercress, bok choy. And then you have some gnocchi, mushroom, potato noodles, pho noodles, vermicellis, Korean rice cake. You have udon. And right here, you got some instant noodle, and then fried tofu skin. Now that we're done with the this side, let me show you guys in this side. This side is reserved for mainly hot pot stuff. So starting off over here, we got some eggs, we got some quail's eggs, tofu, seaweed nut, and then we got some pork blood, beef stripe, broccoli, tofu skin, lotus, fried tofu, taro, beef ball, corn, fish ball, lobster ball, crab stick, pork dumpling, fried dough, shrimp paste, and then you got some, I think they look like duck feet, and then we got some pork innards, and then we got New Zealand mussel, frog legs, octopus, squid, scallop, baby clam, shrimps, and look at this. All you can eat oysters, crawfish, and then all you can eat snow crab legs. For the protein, we got sliced fatty beef, lamb, and pork belly. We're gonna grab us some oysters. So a lot of oyster left. And then we're gonna grab some of this snow crab legs, fatty beef, and then we're gonna grab some lamb. You know, I gotta grab me some of this instant noodle and a little bit of this enoki, and of course some watercress. So I went ahead and got the tom yum flavor. We got a long day tomorrow, so I don't want any stomach issues. So what we're gonna do is the broth that we're gonna eat, we're gonna drink. My wife like to say, you drink it. I'm gonna put it on the side. So we're gonna drink those, and the rest, what we're gonna do is we're gonna cook it. Look at that. You want one? All right. Throw in some of this snow crab legs. Let me know what you want so I can get for you.
What is my Mimo?
It's ready. Alright, we're gonna dip it in the sauce. Oh, cool. Oyster, it's a different beast when you cook it. Try some of the snow crab legs. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Tom yum is good. So today it was all about the kids. I didn't even film anything at Legoland. So food there was like so expensive, like $34 for like a sandwich, some fruit, and 2 drinks. So we were constantly hungry the entire day. All this for only 28 bucks. Oh man, I'll take it. I'm gonna grab some more oysters and more scallop. Got some more of this oyster. Then a little bit of the scallop. And a few of this New Zealand green mussel. I didn't see this earlier, but they also have king oyster mushroom. More watercress.
Why do we have to get a lot of mango?
Because we got to give it to bà nội, ông nội, and then Ama, Akon, Ai Ching Ching, Uncle Brian, Uncle Mamu. Yeah, it's good, so we want to share with them, you know?
Sit up straight. Up line. Leave you here. You can sleep here. Find your way home.
Scallop. It's all about mobile. It's our check-in ready.
Are you gonna play with your food?
First one got in here, it wasn't that packed, but towards the end of the night, people are showing up. Look at this. Oyster and scallop. Huh? Huh?
Where's the water? I can't.
Mm-hmm. Scallop and oyster is so good. I think they should have put that oyster in front of me. Oh yes, please. Oh, that's tom yum. Sorry. Yeah, is it? Base is the same. Oh, okay. Thank you. You want to get dessert or what kind of dessert you want? Ice cream or cake? Strawberry, vanilla, chocolate. Chocolate cake or vanilla?
Chocolate.
How many?
One.
Is it? Nothing else?
I should two. One more.
And grab some of this beef ball. And grab us some more lamb. Get some more of this oysters. Beef ball, lamb. You want anything else? Let I know, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up, and then we'll take you guys back for dessert. For dessert, I'm gonna grab some watermelon, a little bit of pineapple, cantaloupe, and one chocolate cake. All right, thank you. With drinks, and for 2 adult, 2 kid, our total come out to be 101.13. With tip, it come out to be 125 even. And thank you for the awesome service. Try some of this chocolate cake. Dessert wasn't that much. Just some fresh fruit and a few cake here and there. But you know, it was good. I might seem a little biased when I say this place is good, but I could be hungry, but you know, it was good. Been up since 5 o'clock, and so, you know, and maybe we just sit down, have something soupy, something hot, costing about $100. It's a deal to me. But yeah, this place, I think it just opened up in the Orlando area near Disney Spring. So if you want some hot pot and some Korean barbecue, late night, definitely come by and check out this place. I'll link all the information down below. As you can see, for the 4 of us, it was only 101, so not bad at all. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for staying to the end. Be sure to hit the subscribe button on your way out, and I'll see you soon.